In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change notifications in Google Calendar using Google Workspace for business. Whether you're managing personal appointments or coordinating team meetings, having the right notifications can help keep you organized and on time. We'll walk through each step to customize your notifications so that your Google Calendar works perfectly for your needs. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Calendar. If you're not already there, just open up your web browser and go to Google Calendar. It's always a good idea to make sure you're signed into the right Google account first. Once you're in Google Calendar, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a gear icon. Click on that gear icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, go ahead and select Settings. This will open up a new window that gives you various options to tweak how Calendar works for you. Next, focus on the left sidebar. You'll notice a section labeled Settings for My Calendars. Here, you'll have a list of all the calendars associated with your Google account. Choose the specific calendar for which you'd like to modify the notification settings. Maybe it's your personal calendar or a shared work calendar. Just click on the name of the calendar you want to adjust. Once you've selected the calendar, scroll down to find the sections labeled Event Notifications and All-Day Event Notifications. These sections are where you can fine-tune how you're alerted about upcoming events. Notifications can come in two different forms, as pop-ups or as emails. You can choose either or both based on your preference. Pop-ups are great if you're already on your computer, while emails can be handy for reading on the go. Now, it's time to decide how far in advance you want these notifications. Do you want to be advised 10 minutes before an event, an hour ahead, or even a full day in advance? You have the flexibility to set the timing that best suits your needs and helps you stay on top of your schedule. If you find that you need more than one alert for an event, you can easily add another notification. Simply click Add Notification to set up another alert. On the other hand, if you feel like you're drowning in alerts, you can streamline things by clicking Remove Notification to take one away. By customizing these settings, you are ensuring that your Google Calendar aligns with how you manage your time and responsibilities. It's all about making these digital tools work for you rather than the other way around. So dive into those settings and configure your notifications just the way you like them. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you get the most out of your Google Calendar notifications.